What's going on, people? This is your favorite deadbeat, TBTs. And today we're on a EVWR rail line. I'm waiting for the coal train to come through. Hopefully I can get a good video of it coming through. There's the yard office right there. This line goes east to Mount Vernon, Indiana, and it deadlines. And this way, it goes northwest toward Nashville, Illinois. Well, on that, I'm waiting for the coal train. It'll be a good video once I can get a catch on it. So hopefully, everybody's having a fantastic day, drinking some beers. It's a pretty day, feels like spring.